No, the man, them nowadays are born.
Yeah.
Them lazy, them don't want to work. Them born spoil. You know what spoil them? Technology spoil up people. Because them there on phone.
Everybody balls up a 10K top. I think you abandoned me. I'm a fight for abandonment.
Dog a twang. Dog say, I think you abandoned me. Look, the time the man them a waste on TikTok, see? 6 people have viewed them thing. Better have a look at work. I'm gonna start some fuck.
Okay, give me some team braces, the prophet. Please,
oh no. Go.
Give me some team braces, chat. Please and thanks. A billion drugs here said that give me. Somebody give me.
Man, delete my comment. Nah, mute my comment. I can't even comment. Boy, totally delete my comment, my youth. And a style, me I try style a thing, but man, them way I play a game if we go look at work. When a big rascal, man. I don't know who have pitney from who not have pitney, but when I live on TikTok, all time now. School just done. Go pick up on a pitney from school, na dog. Go help on a pitney with him homework, no. Something no dep on bumbuckler TikTok a waste time, brother. And then when no kids grow up and turn Batman and Sodomite are done so. You know want come go on like my youth, you need to come on for TikTok and do something better out in life. You see my boy there in the kitchen a chef up still. I don't know if I'm a chef up team, you them are. Maybe I'm just a chef up himself. Or maybe he's a big girl then, I don't know. You see me him girl work and pay the bills and him there home. I wash panty and I clean up. You know them way there? Yeah. Now I try style of that team, just I keep it real. And that's just me. You feel me? I mean my name, you know. Look upon these 4 big man. I know some of them man have kids like gonna just dep on TikTok. Them not have a sensible conversation. Them not do nothing. Them just dep on the I guess live. And all them I say is Tops and Roses. Give me a money gun. Give me a lion. That's all them I do. Why them not go look at work as blam them would have? So go look at work no drunk crow. Me feel like say them would have better off working right now, doing a 9 to 5, or even open up a business or something. Me not gonna assume still, but maybe them pan them day off and them just feel idle. But I don't know. Me just say yo, you need to go look at work.